Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. And also make sure you check out my weekly trade zones. Only $50 for a lifetime subscription, one-time payment. Links down below in the description. And then also my free Discord chat room. Again, that's also down in the description. But let's get into this video. And what this video is about is when a pattern should work but doesn't work. Okay. And what this pattern is Apple. A couple days ago, we saw this nice shooting star, right? Huge, massive upside down hammer, shooting star, whatever you want to call it. And price should have actually continued lower with this. You saw RSI was way oversold. You probably even saw a little actually kind of divergent right here to right here, right? So kind of a backwards divergence. But with that being said, this pattern should not have worked. You should maybe be able to look for a short over here. If you did, you would have taken out that prior high, or sorry, your stop would have been above that prior high. So maybe look for a bounce to 62, get short. But what happened is Apple made new highs. Okay, and this is where we are today. Now you have a massive divergence with two massive divergent reversal candles. If we break below this 64, this is where you have to get short again, right? It's one of those things where, yeah, it sucks if you took the trade the first time, but if you take it again, more than likely it'll work, and more than likely you'll make up what you lost the first time, especially with the divergence going on. So just something to kind of be aware of. Don't be afraid of them. Just use the reverse waterfall, higher lows. Once price breaks below, that's your short. Use the prior high as your stop. You will see, yes, sometimes you take these trades, you'll get stopped out maybe one or two times, but the more kind of reversals like something like this, probably the stronger move to the downside is going to be. Also, because what's doing it is it's actually the logic behind it is it's trapping people, right? Ooh, look, okay, everybody gets short, take out new highs, all the shorts cover, and then everybody's long again, and then it kind of reverses, has the divergence, and then you see a big swoop. So just something to look at, to be aware of when things don't work. How do you trade them, right? And sometimes it's kind of you fall off the horse, jump right back on and ride it again, right? This is, you have to trade what the charts tell you, because more times than not, when you see certain signals, you will make money because they will be winners. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Just something that is one of those things where we're in a weird market, and this just kind of adds on to the weird market. Here's a good example. Let's go back in time, right? Nice big move, kind of a reversal candle, price broke below, and then you saw that high get taken out. Then you had a nice reversal candle, a bearish engulfment, and look at this entire move all the way down, right? This is what I'm probably expecting to see with Apple, kind of the same move. You could see Apple has a tendency to do these type of moves. Same thing here, right? Reversal candle, pullback, make new highs, have a kind of a ugly reversal, and then look at the move lower, right? So just something to be aware of with Apple. I would be looking for shorts if it breaks below, but hopefully that helps. With that, and then real quick, let's get into what's going on with the current market structure. I kind of did a video yesterday about the dead cat bounce. I said, hey, we need to get above this 4670 kind of reversal. suckered everybody in, and then late day sold off really hard. This is a very classic dead cat bounce. And so just kind of be careful. The only thing that I would say that might not be classic with this dead cat bounce was the big rally we had from the lows, but it took a while for the shorts to kind of re-engage, jump in and push prices lower. So with that being said, I think lower, I've been this 4,500 level. My next levels to watch are probably the slow volume node 4410 and then the 4350 on the bigger picture. So hope that helps. But be safe out there, trade safe, and make sure you guys are using stops and all that. But till next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.